Look at this, how it is floating. Look, 114, only 36 watts, which is no more than the two contactors I have here, separating my inverter from the street grid, okay? That's my 24 battery bank, almost 100% fully charged, okay? I have a set here with two MPPT solar chargers. One of them is currently sending 412 watts to my battery bank number one, and the other one is sending extra 118 watts, okay? So you can see how my battery set is made of, okay? I have here, those two red are 115 amperes each. Those two black in the bottom, they are 220 amperes each. This one here, okay, and this one here are 170 amperes each. I have here an extra 100 ampere battery. This one is 95 ampere, okay, and in the bottom of it I have another one of those with 115 amperes. As you see, it is a 24 battery bank. One of them has 12.8 volts and the other one 12.8. So it is even equalized. I don't have any issues with storing the energy I'm producing. However, even with the battery bank fully charged, it is not working well.